Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very special date night cook with us idea. It is our anniversary, so of course I have a very special guest here with me today, my boo.
Your boy Jay Bonnie. Today we're making shrimp Alfredo with garlic bread. I'm gonna let you guys follow along with me today. For those of you looking to impress your ladies out there, keep following this channel. I got you.
The ingredients you'll need for the shrimp Alfredo are shrimp, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, noodles of your choice, salt, pepper, garlic, butter, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning.
Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to get your skillet hot. And then after your skillet gets hot, you want to drop your butter in and let that melt. Then you want to add your garlic and saute your garlic. So next we're going to add 1 pint of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to allow that to marinate together. And then after we mix it, we're going to bring that to a soft boil. So now we're going to add a whole pack of Parmesan cheese, but for consistency of what I like, I added another half a pack. So it's all based on preference. I like mine a little thick.
So do I. So for now, to allow this to thicken, I'm going to take this off the eye and set it over to the side so that I can start my noodles. So yes, we need to season our food. So we're going to start off with seasoning the shrimp with some Old Bay Cajun seasoning. This is good for all types of seafood. We love this here. Then of course the salt and pepper. I am also going to be adding a little bit of parsley right onto my shrimp here. Alright, so it's finally time to add all the ingredients into the sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add parsley for color. Guys, if you did not know, I did use pre-cooked shrimp, so all I had to do was season it up. I'm going to add the noodles and the pre-cooked seasoned shrimp to my sauce just to heat everything through and make sure it's well combined. While I prepare our side dishes, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on my pasta and let her simmer on low until everything is done. To follow through with our theme, of course, we need to add in that Olive Garden-ish bread. We do like the Texas brand here. It's so good and it cooks up in about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And salad, my favorite salad is Caesar salad. I'm basic, but Bae likes the house salad, so we will be adding tomatoes and a couple of little things just to jazz it up a little bit.
And don't mind me, I'm gonna help her toss her salad real quick. I'm corny, but she love it.
I do. What special meal is not complete without dessert? I am using the Godiva chocolate fudge brownies. They are so good. I've already added in my 1/4 cup of oil and water separately. I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1 egg and then the brownie pack. This brownie pack is a little bit special. It did come with a fudge pack to add, and you guys will see that I added a few more ingredients just to make it also very special. Bae loves brownies and so do I. Time to plate. Babe, wasn't that just oh so very simple?
Oh, that was amazing. I love to see you work.
Yes, guys, one of our favorite things to do since we've met was to cook together. Babe's the cook. I am merely just a sous chef, but I have enjoyed these years of cooking with you.
My student has progressed into the master.
I am the master plater though, by the way. I kill at plating, y'all.
Yeah, she good at making stuff look good. Can't y'all tell?
Yes, you caught me. I did a quick Dollar Tree run earlier today and I got these cute little candle holders that I wanted for the night. I thought they were so cute, so yes, I added them here to my tray. You guys know I'm extra, but it's good. Alright guys, this is pretty much the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching and we do hope you guys enjoyed.
And I just want to give a shout out to us. Happy anniversary, babe. I love you.
Happy anniversary, love.
I'll see you again.
You heard that, guys. He will see you again soon. Yes, we brought the cook to my channel. Yes.
Year 10 is going to be something amazing.
Year 10 will be amazing. This is year 9, by the way. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Peace out.
Bye.